Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for middle month of July 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. So I'm going to check out your past, present and future energies in this reading. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Alright, let's get started with your reading now. So what's there for my Pisces mid-July 2021, please? What's going on with my Pisces mid-July 2021? Pisces mid-July 2021, please. So the obstacle for you this week is the Six of Swords, and the overall energy is the Page of Pentacles. So with the Six of Swords, I'm really getting that you really want to move away from some situation, moving on from a chaos, from a chaotic thing, from a chaotic situation which involved a lot of back bitching, a lot of negativity, lot of toxicity. So you really want to move away, but you're not able to go from that situation. That is why it has come up in the obstacle. For some of you, it can be involving some kind of a travel or reallocation, but you're not able to do because of some reasons, some personal health, overall pandemic is also going. So that is why you are really stuck in that situation. With the Page of Pentacles as your overall energy, so this can be for some of you who are willing to communicate. More than communication, this is telling me that you are trying to work for something. It can be your career thing. And that can be the thing. You really want to work a lot for a situation, but you're not able to because you are stuck in some toxicity. You're stuck back in something, and that is why you're not able to move into that direction. And for some of you, it can be like holding in some promotions, and you are really in need for that promotion or a job opportunity, but you're not getting one. All right, so some energies from the universe. Let's see what the universe is trying to tell you. So we have the Three of Swords as the first card. So the Three of Swords is telling me that you either went from the situation, from a heartbreak, or you are going through the situation where when we really want some personal growths, but we are really stuck. They really come up with challenges or surrounding us, the things surrounding us. It's like everything is involved with full of challenges around you, and you are not able to do anything. Transformation card. So you are required. The advice from the tarot is that you really need to release some old beliefs. Either you really need to release some old beliefs of yours, you really need to transform yourself, because strong transformation energies are there, which can be personal, which can be in relation with people around. These transformations are really unexpected sometimes, but yes, I would suggest through the tarot, that something has to be, transformations. You cannot neglect those transformations. King of Cups energy, and wow, it is carried with the Queen of Cups. So I don't know why they both are they are not facing each other. So this can be some relation with emotions, where you and your person really love each other a lot, and that is why you might have gone through a heartbreak with a loved one, and transformation is in regards with that thing only. Changes are required, and you are not ready for those changes yet. So wow, okay, so I didn't see some cards. So we have the Five of Cups, we have sadness, we have Eight of Cups, we have the moving away, moving on energy, as we have the Six of Swords. So for some of you, or for majority of you, it is in regards with love situation, where you really need to move on from a situation, but you are not able to because there was a lot of toxicity, or the addiction towards a person, or the attraction towards a person is so much that you are unable to move away from that situation. The universe is trying to tell you that sometimes moving on is helpful. But let's check your whole reading now. Okay, so your past energies are the Page of Swords, Five of Pentacles, and the Two of Pentacles. So for some of you, I'm really getting that energy where you might have involved with a fight, small fight, which actually became a very big fight. There was some separation with your loved one because of you, either you being very busy, or there were two people involved in the situation. It can be like, when we really, so this can be you, this can be your person. But yes, I really feel that you felt that you are left out in the cold by your person, because they were showing that they are really busy, they're multitasking, they are very busy, and they are balancing their love life, their professional life. But exactly when you got to know the reality, it was not that. They were already dealing with someone else. They really left you out in the cold, and you felt that you are no more their person anymore. In the present, we have Awakening, the Dreamer, and the Wheel. So Awakening is the Hanged Man, Dreamer is the Fool, and the Wheel is the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so yeah, so at present you are going through some transformation, because the transformation card is also here. And I would tell, I don't know, but I really feel for this card as a transformation, as an energy where you really need some awakening. Okay, and you are going through that awakening part. That is why you are ready. You are trying to move away, you are trying to move on, but somewhere you just keep on thinking, because the Dreamer energy, Pisces, strong Pisces, they are the dreamers, and they always are feeling somewhere that something might happen. They have that positive vibe that okay, some magic can happen, because they dream a lot. So yeah, if you're feeling, so that gut feeling also, because since you're Pisces, they really have strong intuition as well. And if you have that intuition that this person will come back someday back to you, that can be a situation for you. Okay, so in the future we have that Six of Wands, Ace of Swords, and the Three of Wands. So yeah, there is some kind of a clarity, like you might be working. First, you're really working on yourself only, because they are strong. Either you are attracting more people towards you, there is a strong attraction from other people towards you. Yes, there is. And but it's more like a situation when you know that people are getting attracted towards you, but still you have that hope that I really want to clear out stuff with my old person, and just let's talk, and let's just start again if you really want to, because I really see some clarifications from your end and your person's end, which you really hope. But what will happen, whether these things will happen or not, we will clarify it right now. Alright, so let's do the clarification part. So let's see. So tell me more about the Six of Swords energy, why the Six of Swords is here. Tell me more about the Six of Swords and the obstacles energy. So it has Six of Swords, which I already told you that it has come up from the Five of Swords, and Five of Swords is here. So yes, so Five of Swords is telling me that Five of Swords, the Hangman, Five of Cups. So yeah, this was a very bad situation. You have actually you are working on a very tough situation. There can be some betrayals also involved because of the past energies with the Two of Pentacles. I'm getting that somebody was dealing with two people around him or her, and that is why you were feeling that you are the one who is left out, and I'm not the one, I'm the victim, and this person is not even thinking about me the way I think about this person. And now you are moving away, but you are not able to, because the decision has not been made yet. Alright, let's see why this Page of Pentacles is here in the overall energy. You're still slow. See, the decision hasn't been made yet. You're still in that Hanged Man energy, awakening energy, where you need an answer from the person. Let's see why the Page of Pentacles is here. Tell me more about the Page of Pentacles, please. Seven of Cups, Page of Cups, and Ten of Swords. Yeah, strong betrayal. So either you or your person, I think your person was involved with, like, you know, more than one options. They were actually yeah, they were exploring other options, and this betrayal happened because you might be busy in your other stuff, and because you always knew that this person will be mine no matter what, but you got involved, you got busy in some other things. I'm really sorry for the voice. I don't know why in the midnight also they really have to do this. Okay, so yeah, so with the Page of Cups, I feel that there was a situation in your life where your person started exploring other options. Okay, and they were like, they tried to just, you know, there was just small messaging and, you know, normal calling and everything, that things actually happened, but it eventually went a little bigger and bigger and bigger, and that is why it really worsened your situation. Okay, so tell me more about this Two of Pentacles in the past energies. I really want to know this Two of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles, King of Cups, and the Nine of Swords. So yes, I think that you have already worked for that thing. You tried to figure out, you tried to mend that situation, you tried to mend the relationship, but your person didn't. Your person was like, no, I am really, right now I am not ready. And all the way you felt that, you know, sorry, so all the way you felt that, you know, the bad has been done to you, the wrong has been done to you, and strong anxiety issues, stress levels increasing. So you have already faced a lot, Pisces, a lot. Sorry for that. Okay, so let's see this awakening energy, the Hanged Man in the present. So why the awakening energy is here? Eight of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, and Four of Wands. I feel that you are already working. You are working for yourself, and that is why you want to move away from that situation. But somehow you are not able to move on. Might be because of some family relations with this person, or some childhood friendship, or some, you know, might be married with this person. So it's really hard for you to take a decision right now. You might be working for that thing as well. Legally also you might be involved with your lawyer or something. This is for those who are involved in a marriage with this situation, with this person. Okay, tell me more about the Dreamer, the Fool energy. Strength, Three of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. So yeah, a lot of inner strength is required right now, which you're already working on. You're already working for that thing, that okay, please God, please universe, help me, save me from this heartbreak, because it's really hard to forget this person, because I was loyal and this person was not loyal. I really gave, you know, you were very diligent and loyal, and you were like, okay, it's only this person or no one, so something like that. So yeah, so let's see the Wheel of Fortune. Why the Wheel of Fortune is here in the present? We have Six of Pentacles, Six of Cups, and Seven of Swords. So it's really hard for you to let go for this situation, because this person actually betrayed you. You are still feeling nostalgic. You still feel that this person comes back to you. You are ready to give this person more love again. I don't know why. Strong betrayal energies, but you are still ready to give this person a lot of love. That okay, come back to me. I'm ready to give love to you. At least you come back to me. Let's see the Six of Wands energy in the future. Empress, Ten of Pentacles, and the Page of Wands. I feel that somewhere you will get a chance for a clarification with this person. But whether this person will be same as before, because I do not feel very good vibes with the Empress today. I really feel strong negative vibes that, you know, I will come back to you, I want you and I want him or her as well, something like that. I don't know why, sorry. Tell me more about the Ace of Swords, please. Why this Ace of Swords is here? Hermit, Six of Wands, and the Five of Wands. If you will be involved in that situation, see, at the end you will get the victory. If you really want this person, you will get this person, but somehow you will not get the soul of the person, because the soul of this person is long way. They are already healed in the situation somewhere. If you were the one who were left out, or whosoever, vice versa, take as it resonates, whosoever is this person who is going through this trauma of being left out, is the one who will always feel the same, because somewhere this person is like no more there. This person you are dealing with, they are no more there. The more clarification you want from this person, the more betrayal, the more sadness they will give to you. Let's see this Three of Wands energy. Two of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, and Ace of Pentacles. I don't see this person coming back. This is somebody new coming your way, Pisces. Ace of Pentacles with Two of Cups, a soulmate connection with somebody new, a fresh new start for a situation. Some kind of unexpected progress coming up your way. So this can be very unexpected. To be very honest, it can be a new person and it can be the old one as well, because this is something which is really, because the Wheel of Fortune is very unexpected. It comes with unexpectations, you know, you expect something else and things happen really different. So that is why it has ended. The last card of your reading, the Wheel of Fortune. Very unexpected. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Pisces. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.